Let's talk about English words that we commonly mispronounce. So may mga salita tayo na nababasa minsan or nasasabi but maybe we were not aware na mali pala yung bigkas. Ngayon alamin natin kung ano yung tama. First word, basa dyan, cupboard. Mali. Dapat cupboard. Cupboard. Dapat silent P siya. Walang P. Next, yan ay hindi akay. Madalas sinasabi natin, akay berry. Diba? Ang tama, asayi. Asayi. Ang layo, diba? Pero yun yung dapat. Next word, February. Mali. Dapat, February. February. Worcestershire. Mali yun. Ang tama, Worcestershire. Worcestershire. Next word, hyperbole. Mali. Dapat, hyperbole. Yung stress ay nandun sa per. Hyperbole. So that's all for today, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe.